Before I start the video, I just wanted to say thank you all for subscribing to the channel. We reached the 500 mark. Couldn't do it without you guys. I appreciate you all so much. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and stay tuned because I am working on some really cool things on the channel. With that being said, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making the easiest air fryer Korean inspired wings. So let's get started. So I'm using about 2 pounds of chicken wings, and I'm going to start by seasoning them with a little bit of salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Now I'm just going to mix all of the seasoning onto the chicken well, and this recipe is honestly one of those back pocket recipes that I like to call. It's a nice all-around wing recipe that you can use for parties, baby showers, wedding showers alike. So once my chicken is well seasoned and ready to go, I add it to my air fryer, and I'm going to air fry these at a temperature of 390 degrees for about 10 minutes on each side or until it's golden brown. Then while my wings get all nice and crispy in the air fryer, I'll get started on the sauce. And this sauce is really simple to make, and it's really quick as well. It takes about 5 minutes to put together. So for the sauce, I use a little bit of Korean chili flakes. I'm also using rice vinegar, soy sauce, brown sugar, honey, ketchup, and a little bit of sesame oil. So I'm only using 1 times the recipe for my wings, but if you wanted to, you could always double the recipe. So if you're someone that likes a lot of sauce on your wings, you like a really saucy wing, just double the recipe. Now I'm just going to take my sauce and heat it on the stovetop for about 5 minutes until it's nice and thick, but you could also do this in the microwave. So once the wings are done and the sauce is thickened, I just take all of the sauce and add it to the wings and toss it well. You can also just toss it in a pot. It really doesn't make a difference how you toss the wings as long as you coat it really good in all of that sauce. Then to finish off the wings, I'm going to garnish them with black sesame seeds, white sesame seeds, and some sliced green onions. These wings are really good, and they're the perfect balance between savory and sweet. I will leave the recipe in the description box for you to check out. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!